Hey, have you heard that Java 26 just came out and you are probably thinking, what does that even mean? Should I care? A good question. So today I'm explaining a Java 26 in such a way that makes a sense. Whether you are a brand new Java developer or you have been coding for a while or intermediate Java developer. So no complicated word, no confusion, just a basic about a Java and its Java 26 feature. So let's go. Hi, I'm Aditya and in this video we will cover a Java 26 features. So every month Java gets updated. So Java 26 is a latest update. It came out on March 17, 2026. So here as you can see the date. So Java 26 version just came out on March 17. There are some things that we can discuss here, like as we know that not all updates are same, right? Some are small, some are big, some help you as a developer, and some are just technical stuff, you can say, or technical things or tools that you don't need to worry. So today I will pick 5 updates that actually matters for the beginners and intermediate Java developer. So by end of this video you will understand what are the Java 26 5, you can say, 5 firm features that are introduced in Java 26. Okay, so the goal of this video is that you will feel confident about a Java 26 and its new features, and you will get to know on what features you should focus on. Okay, so here as you can see here, so basically there are 10 new features that they have added in Java 26, but out of 10 we will cover a 5 most important you can say features, and that 5 features are firm features. So out of 10 they have released a 5 firm feature which is you can say ready to use, and you can say remaining 5 you can say are still in testing phase. We call them as a preview feature. So in this video we will cover that 5 firm features that are ready to use. So let's go. So here the first features is improve throughput by reducing the synchronization. So what is the meaning of this feature, right? So in simple word, basically you can say they have improved the garbage collection here. So previously we have the garbage collection, but it was not that powerful and efficient. So previously or you can say in previous version, the garbage collector, like, it was pausing too often and it was slowed down that particular application. It's like a, you can say, manager constantly interrupting the workers, right, which is not efficient. But in Java 26 they have improved the garbage collection work there. So they created a, you can say, a smarter version of garbage collector where it pauses you can say less as compared to the previous version. So as a result we are getting a, you can say, the more efficiency, so less pauses are there. So that is the first feature. Then the second feature is ahead of time object caching by any garbage collector. So basically ahead of time caching we can say as AOT caching. So what is AOT caching and what is its feature in Java 26? We can say it is one of the good feature or super features, or you can say one of the important features that they have added in Java 26 version. So as we know that most of the Java application we are deploying over the cloud, like in latest era we are using the cloud there, cloud technologies, right? So in cloud computing you might start the same app 100 times a day, like we have the different users, then different time is there, different server is there. So it takes a lot of time to boot up, right? So that is one of the, you can say, a wait time that we have to add there, or you can say the boot time is there. But in Java 26 along with the AOT caching, what they improve, so they have you can say minimize that particular boot up time. So we can say there is a fast startup time with the AOT caching. So with the AOT caching features we can boot up our particular application, you can say, in a faster way as compared to the previous version. So that is a one AOT caching features. Along with this it provides a low memory usage. So first feature is fast startup and second one is a low memory usage. So these are, you can say, the both features they have covered in a AOT caching. In Java 26 they have added a AOT feature as well, but it was working only with the one garbage collector. But in Java 26 This AOT is working with the any type of garbage collector, so that you can say one of the more efficient features they have introduced here. So that is, you can say, the second features of Java 26. So in AOT caching we are getting the fast startup time and low memory usage is there. Then the next feature is prepare to make a final mean final. So what is this mean? So we know that in Java we have the final keyword, we use the final keyword, right? So the primary use of final keyword is to make a particular field as a final, so no one can change, right? But we know that in Java we have the one feature, or we have the one technique, we call that technique as a reflection. So using reflection one can, you can say, change the final, right? So we are just, you can say, violating that particular final word uses there using the reflection. So that is a one issue was there, but in Java 26 they have identified that issue. And what they did here, so starting from now in Java 26, if someone tries to particularly modify to that particular final word or final field, we will get a warning to that particular code or particular line there. So if someone is modified that final, you can say, values or data, so they will get a warning out of it. So that is the, you can say, the third features that they have introduced with the final keyword. The next feature is they have introduced a HTTP3. So before this we have the HTTP2. So there was a problem with the HTTP2. So for the HTTP2 we have to write some complex code, and you can say there was a one bottleneck, like there is a so much waiting time. So that are the issues with the HTTP2 protocol. But in Java 26 they have added a HTTP3 protocol. So you can say the features of HTTP3 protocol, like it's a more efficient as compared to HTTP2, and high performance is there along with the low latency. So that is the one features of HTTP3, so that they have introduced in Java 26. But in Java, you can say, HTTP2 before the Java 26, for the HTTP2 we have to write some complex code, but here along with the efficiency, performance and low latency, it is easy to code. So that is one of the features of HTTP3. And one or you can say the last feature here, they have removed the Applet API. So before the 26 we have the Applet, right? In Java 17 only they have, you can say, the depreciated you can say applet in Java 17 only, but in Java 26 they have completely removed, right? So you can say here we got you can say small, cleaner and safer version of Java because of the removal of the old, you can say, technologies. So that is a one features that they have added here. So these are the, you can say, the 5 firm features that they have introduced in Java 26, and the remaining 5 are still in testing phase, or you can say in preview phase. So all right, in this video we have learned what are the 5 features of you can say Java 26 that they have added. The one we can see that is HTTP3 they have introduced, then AOT caching is there, then one feature related to the final fields, then one feature is related to the garbage collection, and the last feature that we have covered is removal of applets in Java 26. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, just click on like button, so it tells YouTube that this video is useful. And if you are learning a Java here and want a more updates, just click on subscribe button and turn on the notification, so you will not miss the next video and update. Thank you.